You guys are not going to want to miss the last part of this video. We are back here for some massive updates at Knott's Berry Farm for Merry Farm. And you know what? We're going to give you guys our tips, tricks, and also give you guys a full-on guide on what to expect. So if you're ready, I'm ready. It is time to step back inside of Knott's Berry Farm. Let's go. Oh yeah, so we actually stepped inside the Knott's Hotel. Not only does the Knott's Hotel actually has a Thanksgiving brunch, but inside there, they actually do have a wedding going on. Alright guys, we are back here at the farm. Last time we were actually here, we were just doing one full-on vlog video, opening day for Knott's Berry Farm, but throughout the season was fantastic. I hope you guys did follow along with us. We actually dropped some videos. Dude, Knott's Berry Farm did a fantastic job. They were literally, for me, top ranked #1 in haunts. Widows, Boogeyman as well was my top 2 ranked. Fantastic. Now, we said goodbye to Bloodline 1842. We said goodbye to Waxworks. Scare zones were on point almost the entire time that we were here. Brand new merch has just dropped, from the shirt to a brand new Loungefly backpack. It was that was awesome. That was really cool to see. To the hats as well, the Snoopy hats that droop down and the ears kind of flop over.
Oh, I see a Christmas tree here. Miners outfitting Debo. Let's have you check this out. Check it out. They have the Christmas tree here, man. Not only do they have Brutus, but they have Sad-Eye Joe, a medallion on the far left side there. Wow, they really touched it as far as with how this is vintage and Victorian. They did a really good job on this tree. All right, so they're getting all the vendor booths ready to go. And this is where I usually, the most part, we see Picturesque home. That's usually right here. Now, right in front of Ghost Rider, that is where Tattoo Jr. is gonna be at. It is really cool. I love seeing Tattoo Jr. And we're going to see Maria back here as well, too. So our vendor's going to be back.
The reason for that, they actually have Christmas Village. The one thing, and I would say, and I always say this every single year, the one thing that brings this park far beyond better than the park around the bend in Orange County. If you wanted to Christmas shop, that's where you can come into Calico Ghost Town for free. You get to come inside of Knott's Berry Farm for free. Now, again, you're only going to Ghost Town, but you get to come inside of Knott's Berry Farm and shop and help out small businesses. That is one of the best things that Knott's Berry Farm has ever done and will ever do.
Now here is where a brand new show is gonna be located. This is the tree lighting. Now the tree lighting is one like no other.
This tree lighting is gonna be different this year. Brand new show for the tree lighting. It's called 'Tis the Season. They're actually gonna have dancers, they're gonna have singers, and they also are gonna have Snoopy. So this is a brand new show that they're bringing to Knott's Berry Farm. And let me tell you, that tree looks fantastic. And I love the fact that it lights up with the town. The Calico Mine Stage, they're getting it prepped up and ready to go for home for the holidays. I still love that house. I absolutely love the double doors. I love how the window panes are. Dude, this was pretty cool. And actually, if you stand back enough, you're gonna see all the snow glow at the very end. At the Fireman's Barbecue, they do have a music group there. It's gonna be the Bluegrass Duo. But right across from them is gonna be 2 different shows. One from Christmas Carol. The other one is a Gift of the Magi from 1885.
And I love that. Look at this. You can definitely tell they're setting everything up because it says wet paint. Man, and Mayfields haven't actually picked up their mess from Ghost and Alive.
All right, let's talk about Ghost Town. Let's talk about Calico. Now, this town in general is incredible. They have a snow and glow. It definitely tells you on the website that there's, a little bit of mild snow that comes down. No. This is not the park at the other bend. This right here, when it snows, it is beyond a blizzard all across Ghost Town. It's one of the most magical moments. Calico gets covered in snow. That's why we have so many different snow machines. And I'm talking about, there is a lot of snow machines. All right, so a tip in general, if you wanted to get your picture perfect moment, is about right here. So this is spot number 1 to get your perfect moment, is right here at the blacksmith. So you want to stand Typically, the most part, you want to stand to the left of the blacksmith right next to the grill. There's actually one more spot for the snow and glow. Now, let's say it actually gets busy at the park and you're like, man, I wanted to get that blacksmith shot. Well, don't worry, just about right here at the doorway of the Calico Saloon, if you stand right there, let me tell you, you will get a blizzard on for snow and glow. You'll get a perfect shot. Those are the two main spots that you guys want to be at for snow and glow. So I know you guys haven't been seeing me as often. I took a mental health break from vlogging and YouTube. It's been crazy. This season has been amazing, but a lot. That's why I had to take some time, spend time with my family, just enjoy it. Now again, I definitely dropped some shorts. I dropped some reels as well on my Instagram and Twitter as well, but just enjoyed family time. But I'm back, and man, have I missed you guys. So once they actually get good old Origin's Curse of Calico out of the way, this right here is gonna be Santa's Christmas Cabin, where you can actually meet Snoopy and Santa as well. This line, early in the season, it gets okay. But later on in the season, where it gets more closer to Thanksgiving or even Christmas, everybody wants to get their Christmas card done, and this line gets really bad.
Right here at the Pony Express Outpost, they are going to have, usually it's Cordelia's Kitchen. This time around, it's going to be Mrs. Claus's Kitchen. So you can bring your kids. If you actually are here out of state and you want to just grab a cookie and create it, this is where you can create a cookie. And you know what? You can actually bring it to Santa Claus right next door. All right, so the spiders are pretty much gone. You still get the remnants of it still here. And I love how some of these actually do say Pots and Coulter still. The Calico River Rapids has a complete changeover. But yes, that is pretty cool. A nice nod to Pots and Coulter. There he is. Hey, Mr. Whittles. Well, I missed you. It's been a long time, right? Especially with all the spookiness. I'm glad it's gone. Now we can have the Merry Farm coming up. I can't wait to see Holiday Widows. Now, even the Mystery Lodge gets into the spirit, which actually is pretty cool. Inside there, they have a Christmas tree. They have different type of ornaments. Now, again, you can choose whichever ornament you want. So you can choose different types of ornaments, from rattlesnakes to bald eagles to even the Sasquatch, bears. It is pretty cool. No matter where you go, they still celebrate the season.
Inside of Camp Snoopy, they have a giant teddy bear. It says, to Walter from Santa. So Santa already is dropping off gifts. There's candy canes everywhere. You got a little bit of the Christmas bulbs. They're doing, again, renovations. We already seen walls before. They are doing some refurbishments inside there. Now, here at Montezuma Revenge, Montezuma, that tent part that they have there is starting to peel off. Maybe the winds were really bad here, but it's starting to unfold. Still reporting this. Let's see how long it takes. All right, we had to stop by the camp store. Look at this. They had the light up globes here that has Snoopy with it. And they have the regular snow globe here with him, with Snoopy and Woodstock as well, which I like the bottom part of this. Loungefly backpacks. Loungefly really got wristlets here. Dude, this is really cool. Dude, look at this. Wow. Brand new, guys. Brand new. Look at that. Oh, look at this. The Santa and the Winds did a pretty good number to this area right here. But I wish they would have just kept that vintage spookiness. Yep. Never gets old. Oh, look at these two right here. Oh, it is so great. Look at Knott's Merry Farm. I can't wait. I'm pretty sure you guys are excited, right? Did you guys make your Christmas list yet? Okay, good, perfect. We love you guys. The Roaring 20s site right there with Berry Tales. It's nicely themed. I love how the Berry Tales has the purples, the lights, the garlands, and also you have the nice tinsel for the Roaring 20s, which Walter Knott Theater is going to be home to Snoopy Night Before Christmas Ice Show. Just know, it gets extremely packed. Just be here early for that, because I know they limit the amount of people inside there. But it's actually a nice show. It really is a great show.
See, here at the factory now it's a factory store, because you get the crafty coyotes and you get the bear family. That is so cool. Now, look at this, Knott's Fairy Tales exclusive plush collection. Get 2 for $32. All right, so here at Cordy's Corner, they do have a white Christmas tree right here. It's like it's snowing. I love it. It looks fantastic. Every bit of this looks great. They have like these snow-capped houses here. This looks great. All right, so a little bit of the merch actually dropped here as well. Look at, we get Snoopy. He's all bundled up and ready to go. Nice little statue here. I believe these run about $54.99 for this guy right here. Now they do have some Christmas lights here. Snoopy Christmas lights with Woodstock. These run about $37.99. Giant tree topper right here. So there you go. Get your tree topper. It's about $42.99 for a tree topper. And check it out. Look at this. For your my favorite thing. So this has to be a cookie jar, because that's my favorite thing. This one runs $59.99. They have, look at this little truck. He's actually delivering some Christmas presents. This is a salt and pepper. I like it. These run about $34.99. They have the nutcracker here. Now they do have, look at this. Now they have a display of the nutcracker. The very top part, they actually have for his little hat, the little nutcracker hat there. I got Snoopy and Woodstock. $64.99. And I love the box. Look at the box. All right, so since we're here at Fiesta Village, this is where the nativity set's going to be at right here. So they are prepping it up. It's lifted up, but yeah, the nativity set's going to be right here. All right, so here at Papas Mexicanas, they do have a little bit of spookiness still here. They got the señora and the señorita.
When you guys think about coming out here to Knott's Berry Farm for Merry Farm, the one thing I do love is I believe it's $77.99. Now online it does say $89.99. Not too sure what the pricing point actually is, but that one right there gets you the all-day dining as well as the admission here at Knott's Berry Farm for Knott's Merry Farm. But the one crazy thing is for me is they do have a VIP tour of Merry Farm, which is $4.99. That right there not only gets you an admission, it gets you a single meal deal. It gets you the souvenir mug. It gets you the pin, the marquee t-shirt, and a single day fun pics. You can actually have a private party up to 6 people. That is crazy. $4.99. Now again, you actually divide it up to 6 people. Everyone actually pitches in and gets a private tour. It's actually not too bad, especially with this place being historic as much as it is, or if you're coming from out of state. That's a really amazing deal for you guys.
Check it out right here. Check it out. Look at the bear has himself a little witch hat. That's so cool. And they still have Scary Farm merch here. Oh, of course, check it out. Look at the bakery. It's themed out, man. Like the trees, they have a bunch of gingerbreads on them. You get the garlands. Just great. I love it. This one right here is one of my favorites.
Thank you guys so much. If you guys reached it at this point, I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys thoroughly enjoyed this adventure, make sure you guys give this video some thumbs up. If you guys are brand new to the channel and want to follow me on my many fun adventures, make sure right now you guys are subscribed, but also comment down below. What is your favorite thing to do during the holidays? And now we are onward to the next fun adventure. This is why I told you guys to stick around the last part of this video. Check it out.